Hello students, it's Mr. Weaver. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to go over the May 4th to 8th assignments for English 1, and I'm going to try to also clarify some things that are confusing people. And a lot of that confusion has to do with this assignment, the number 2 Book Thief Response Journal, which you're supposed to be updating every week. And some people are not realizing that, wait, I have to actually update this assignment every week. And if you're not updating it, then you notice that your grade has been going down. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, let's look at the assignments. Instead of going to here and scrolling through this, instead I'm going to go ahead and use the class agenda. So if you click on that, it will take you to this slide. So, or not slide, this document. Here's what's going on this week. Monday's a reading day. You should be to page 493 by the end of the week. You should do number 7, the Giving Tree, by Tuesday, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on Monday so that you know. By Tuesday at 3. Where is that? Well, if you go here, there it is, number 7. So you click on that and do that assignment. It is not hard. You watch a video of somebody reading the Giving Tree and you answer a question. So please do that by 3 o'clock on Tuesday. Now we get into Wednesday. Oh, on Tuesday, before I get to Wednesday, I went ahead and posted what's due on Friday. So it says by Friday at 3 o'clock, answer the prompt, this prompt right here, okay, this, in the number 2 Book Thief Response Journal. And the slide is titled Picture Message. So if you go to here, you go to the Response Journal, and you go to the Picture Message slide, that's where you're going to answer this prompt right here. Like the Giving Tree, the word shaker uses simple pencil-drawn images to tell a very important message. Think of a message that you want to tell the world. Draw an image in pencil or ink, and below the picture, tell what message the picture is showing. Your message should be detailed and show depth. Drawing a heart, for example, would not be adequate. Okay? So that is due. Now, also due on Friday at 3 o'clock is the completion of artistic response number 1 in the number 2 Book Thief Response Journal. Well, where's that, Mr. Weaver? Where do I put that? You put that right here, the artistic response number 1. Well, where were the directions for that, Mr. Weaver? That's a great question. Okay, I'm going to get to that in just a second. Before I do, let's look at what else is due during the week. Wednesday, this is a day to get caught up. And what I did is I created a document that has all of the prompts for the number 2 response journal. So when you click on this and you go to this link, it's actually going to take you to this document, okay? And in this document, what it does is it tells you what should be in each slide of this thing, okay? So the colors one, what goes in the colors? Well, if you look at this document, it tells you what goes in the colors right here. What about the conversation with death? Well, if you look at this document, it tells you what goes in the conversation with death and in the innate goodness one and the artistic response. So for the artistic response, wasn't there like another document? Yes, it's this document. If you click on this, it gives you that document that had the coloring. Remember that? It looks like this. Where is it? It's gone. That's okay. I can go there from here, right? If you just go to here, it will show you. I'm going to go ahead and X out of that. It will show you what to do for the artistic response number 1 that's due on May the 8th, okay? So this is your new money document right here because it tells you everything that goes in this Book Thief Response document. It goes through each slide and tells you what should be there. So the one that's due on Friday this week, look at that. Here's the prompt for it. Okay? Now you notice I did get rid of a couple. The slide number 7, which is the Refugee Life one, and the slides number 9 and 10, Journey's End. And that's because I have to have everything done by the 15th of May. No more new assignments. So I had to get rid of something. So I did. You're welcome. Now, going back to the week, Thursday, you just basically work on those things. Friday, you complete them by 3 o'clock, okay? And then you're done for the week. And I did note here that artistic response number 2 will be due on Friday next week. And next week is really kind of a week for you to do artistic response number 2. There'll be another question and to finish the book. So it's kind of finish the book week. All right. If you're behind in the reading, then you get to finish it next week. So I hope that clarifies. I hope that that document really helps you. Now on here, the document is also linked at the bottom. Okay. That number 2 Book Thief Response Journal that goes through all of the things that are due. Okay. All of the ways to complete this document, which is really where most of your grade's coming from for the Book Thief. So I hope this has been very clarifying for some of you who are way behind. And if you have any questions, please ask me, and I will go over those. But that is the work for the week. Read, work hard, email me if you have questions. Don't ignore the work and hope it'll go away. Email me and ask, and I will help you. Have a great week.